So today I just wanted to do this quick video because I am making a sublimation puzzle for Valentine's Day for someone, and these are the sublimation puzzles I use. I put everything I use in the description below so you know where to find them. But as you can see, even though I do the maintenance, which if you're looking for that video, that's in the description below as well, but if we look right here, you can see these little lines. Now this one came out pretty good, but I would still like it to be a little bit better, and I think I figured out the way to do it. So let's check it out. Okay, so I'm doing this through my cell phone, but I'll zoom in a little bit. So if you're looking for this picture, I'll put that below as well because that dog is really cute and it looks like my neighbor's dog. So I'm making it for her granddaughter, a little puzzle for Valentine's Day. So after doing the maintenance, where you check the nozzles and everything like that, what I'm starting to see is all you have to do is go to your printer, and we use this ET2800 series. We're going to click on the preferences, and here is where we are going to change this to like a premium presentation paper. And then we're also going to do this quality print, we're going to do high. And we're going to reprint this to see if we can get all those lines gone, because sometimes this is all the problem is. So what I'm starting to see is with the Epson converted printer, it doesn't recognize the paper quality either. So sometimes it'll ask you, do you want to use this paper because it's not the paper that we would recommend, more or less, and then you would click OK. So sometimes the lines are even worse. This one came out pretty good, but I still would like to work on not having any of those lines in my images. So we're just going to click OK, and we're just going to check it out and see if this one comes out perfect so that I can sublimate it on my puzzle. Let's go. Okay, so we sent it to the printer, and this is what I'm talking about. It says printing is suspended due to the paper mismatch. Well, there is no sublimation printer paper on this type of printer because we converted it. So we're just going to go ahead and move forward with it. So we are going to click next, which is okay. And then we're going to click the arrow button that we want to proceed. And then from there, it's going to start printing. Because we're using a higher quality paper, it's going to take a little bit, so I'll come back as soon as it's done printing. Okay, so we use the premium paper, and the quality is high, and you can see how much more vibrant it came out. And right here, where the lines were, here and here, I'll come in a little bit more, you can see the lines. Here, there are no lines. Came out really, really cute. I can do another video to show you how the puzzle came out when it's finished. And I'm going to sublimate this for 60 seconds at about 390 degrees. And I can show you that process as well. But that might be a trick that you might want to try, and that includes for tumblers. It's going to use more ink, but you're going to get better quality prints. So I hope this is helpful. Bye now.